All right, hello Cats. This is Moritz. I'm going to show you around MewsFeed today, which is our Holochain-based Twitter-like microblogging platform. And if that's not a mouthful, well, you're going to get a little bit more to see now. So MewsFeed was born out of the idea to provide an alternative social medium that would allow people to post like they do on Twitter, short messages. And the vision since then has grown to be a much more expansive, but for now this is what we have, and it is quite nice, especially being built on Holochain. I think it's the first really social app that you can use. So this is your MewsFeed, as you can see. This is where all of the content of the people that you follow will show up, just like you used to from Twitter. We have the Explore page. This is where you can discover new content, discover new people, and what you're being shown here is random tweets, or random mews as we call them, from all over MewsFeed. And you can click the shuffle button and a new set of mews will be selected. We also have the notifications tab. This of course is where your notifications show up. So you see here that another one of my users has licked or liked my mew, and people are following me. Maddie replied to a previous mew of mine. And you can see that even in this feed, when you hover over a user, it shows up a card just like you used to from Twitter, and you can even click follow or even unfollow, and you'll see the confirmation down the bottom. I'll follow again. And then we also, of course, the search. This is not yet very powerful, but you can find users. If you start with the correct 3-letter start, you'll find users that start with those 3 letters. We might improve the search in the future, but for now, this is how you can find users when you do know their name. And when you do go to another person's profile, you'll see their @name, as you can see. You'll see the display name, you see of course a bio, then the people they are following, and then also the people that follow them, where they're supposedly at, and then also when they joined. And what you can also see, at least in the case of this profile here, is the hash of the, or rather the public key of Arthur. That's because he hasn't configured a profile picture, but if you go to my own profile page, you'll see that that moves down to the bottom here, more because I have selected a profile picture. And yeah, you can edit your profile, you can change your nickname. This is something that for the moment means that you don't have exclusive claim to a particular @name. That will change in the future when we introduce NOM, the name protocol built with Holochain. And yeah, you can look through your own feed, you can pin things, you can open individual mews, you can see replies, you can create replies, demo reply. We have a minimum of 10 characters you have to write for your mew to be legal, if you will. And yeah, you can mew as in retweet, and you can also quote tweet or quote mew. And as you can see, I got a notification. Don't know what it's for since it's loading, I guess, or rather I saw that already. But yeah, that is MewsFeed for you. I hope you try it out, and if you want to, please feel free to come join us on Discord, where we are organizing ourselves, communicating about the development, and then you can also check out our GitHub for the code, join us in contributing there. And yeah, if you want to install it, for now, you can go to the MewsFeed-Kangaroo repository on GitHub and install a standalone app, or download the Holochain launcher and install it in there. All right, I hope to see you on MewsFeed. Ciao, ciao.